the termite guys at the house next door. You see. Logan is the only one tied up. The other two, Waggle Butt and Little Baby Puppy, are they're terrifying sounds. Boar. We're ferocious. Don't get too close. This is Bundy. Little Miss Ruby Dooby is staying right close to the woods almost the entire walk today. She started snorting and snorkeling and digging at the ground in one place, but I didn't see what she was going after. They flew off before we got here. We drove underneath them actually. There was a huge flock of Canadian geese. I mean huge, probably 100 birds. It must have been down here before we got here, because I saw right up at the beginning tons of goose poop out on the path, and it had just been left, so I think they all unloaded before they took off. Now she wants to go back the other way. We're getting in a nice walk just in between rainstorms. You can see it's clouds roll in, it rains like crap, then turns blue sky, and then more clouds roll in, and it rains like crap. So July is over. This is first day of August. So hadn't been that many people out here this morning. One runner and two ladies walking, and I say 3 bicycles, but one of them just went up to the end and turned around and came back, so 2 bicyclists. And that's pretty much been it. It is unbelievably humid. That seems to be the course for July. It just feels more humid. I say it's a psychological thing because it's been raining so much. I think they put the totals on we didn't come anywhere close to setting a record for rain. 1964 was the rainiest year with almost 39 inches, 36 inches, I forget. In July we only got a little over 8 inches, which Depends on where you measure it and the way they measured it at the airport. But I know on one day they said we had over 8.5 inches in one day alone. Maybe that was back in June. I can't remember now. One rainy day rolls into the next. You lose track of time. The mowers are steady hacking stuff down and they just can't keep up with it. By the time they get to another end, this stuff's back up 4 feet high again. Alright, she keeps wanting to go back down that way. Whatever it was, caught her interest and she doesn't want to leave it. Well, I'm all sweaty now. We still got a quarter mile to go. And I'm gonna call it quits and go cool off with a glass of iced tea.